As y'all can see, we in the Halloween spirit. Ooh,
look at that.
519. Let's see. We have ice cream.
Oh, weird. Ew, stop. Exactly.